Youth flag football is a popular variation of American tackle football for kids and is similar to touch football. Since the sport can be played by anywhere from 4-4 to 909 players to a side, kids' flag football sets can range widely in the number of players they are geared to accommodate. It is important when choosing equipment to pay attention to this factor. The goal of this article is to inform about the best flag football kits and sets for kids that are available and to provide in-depth coverage to help pick the right set for your child or children this season, as well as a possible Thanksgiving Day backyard game. What you will find below is a review of the 10 best flag football sets and kits for kids, plus 2 to avoid. And now for the GotFlagFootball.com 10 best flag football sets for kids, plus 2 to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Flag Attack Sonic Boom Flag Belt Set of 12. The full Flag Attack flag football equipment kit is not yet available, which is why this is included at number 10. However, this Flag Attack product is the replacement belt and flag kit, with the added attraction of being able to use the Sonic Boom system with the flags. Flag Attack has long had a good reputation among users of their flag football products, specifically in adult flag football. It is often a requirement to play with this brand's flags. The reason is because of the pop sound that gives off when pulled, which clearly marks when the player is down. If you're just looking for belts and flags, this is one to consider. Coming in at number 2, Flag Football Set and Referee Kit 12-Player by Curious About Fitness. Curious About Fitness seems to place a premium on some of the extras that most parents value for their children and for their budget. For this reason, it's considered the most complete flag football kit for kids. The all-weather equipment is rip-resistant. They provide 3 long, heavy fabric flags per belt, attached by Velcro to their 48-inch adjustable nylon belts. The benefits to you of these features is that the sturdier equipment provides less chance of injury and less need to replace the flags and belts. This is the only one of the 12 packages reviewed here that comes with 2 carry bags for all of the equipment, a PVC carry case with a handle, and a drawstring stuffed bag for extra equipment. They have even thought about the referees that are used in league games by including a referee kit with a high visibility vest and a whistle on a yellow lanyard. However, the referee kit can also be fun for dad or mom to use in refereeing family games. This is a set, unlike some others, that is geared for flag football games for both kids and adults. As a bonus, their money-back guarantee does not appear to have a 30-day restriction, since it states, "If you're not 100% satisfied with your new flag football kit, contact us for a full refund." Coming in at number 3, Train Flag Football 10-Man Set. The Train Flag Football set is designed for every level of play, from youth through the more rigorous games played by adults. Parents of young kids should note that this particular set is advertised as a 10-man set, which means 5 players on each team, allowing for 4 more players than the 3 per team sets. The 46-piece include end zone cones, a bag that doubles as a yard marker, an e-book with plays, and important when targeting both youth and adults, flag belts with adjustable waist sizes. The biggest differentiators are the carrying case, the durability of the flags, and the belts holding 3 flags, as compared to the 2 flags provided by a number of both companies. Parents buying a set for their kids will benefit from all the additional items that come with this set, which you will then not have to purchase individually. This set, like many others, does not come with a football. Do not be too concerned about whether any set includes a football or not. Most players, except for maybe the more experienced players, will want to choose their own football anyway. Looking to learn more about the best flag football sets for kids in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Flag Football Deluxe Gear Set by Star Active Sports. This Star Active Sports set is fit for 5 versus 5, as it comes with 20 durable flags, all with sure grip Velcro closures to attach securely to belts. What this means for you, as parents considering purchasing for your children, is that Velcro, often preferable for its strength and durability, is more suitable for youth flag football than adult. Also, keep in mind that 20 flags means 2 teams with 5 players each, and only 2 flags per belt. Many leagues prefer 3 flags per belt, and anywhere from 6 to 11 players per team. However, if you are not buying for a league, and only for family fun, say for a Thanksgiving flag football or a small turkey bowl game, gear for 10 players may be all you need. Other positives about this product include the adjustability of the belts and the convenience of the drawstring bag. For these reasons, Star Active Sports can be considered the best Velcro flag football flags and belt kits for kids. Coming in at number 5, Nerf Sports Flag Football Set. The Nerf Sports Flag Football Set is aimed at younger kids more than some of the other flag football sets, which are made for both adults and kids. It does not come with belts for the flags to attach to, but rather has clip-on flags that attach to your own belt, shirt, or the waistband of your pants. Since there are only 12 belts in total, this kit is made to play with 2 flags per belt, 1 on each hip. With that, it is perfect for the truly beginner-level player. More experienced players will want a belt and not just an attachable flag. This set is probably not one that would be used in an organized youth league. The biggest difference from many of the other sets reviewed here is that this one comes with its own all-weather football. The positive points about the ball are its durability, with a plastic coating over the usual Nerf sponge, that it plays as well on asphalt as it does on grass, and that it has excellent flight and spiral capabilities. Coming in at number 6, SKLZ 10-Man Flag Football Deluxe Set. The SKLZ Deluxe Set is for 10 players, 5 to a side, and contains durable, one-size-fits-most flags. The 2 downsides, which are common among many flag football packs, are that the 4 goal line and sideline cones are much too small to see while playing, and the mesh tote is not of adequate size to properly contain all of the equipment, once everything is unpacked. An upside is that the pack contains a rule book. Like most packs, it does not include a football. It only has 2 flags per belt. They are nylon with Velcro attachments, and a D-ring closure, allowing for flexibility in movement. Coming in at number 7, Franklin Sports Mini Playbook Flag Football Set. The Franklin Sports Mini Playbook comes with its own football, which is emblazoned with receiver routes on it, giving players some ideas about plays to call and run. This is great, especially for beginners. However, understanding routes is something that takes many repetitions over time in order to master. Every exposure, such as this, is helpful. This Franklin Sports Kit also has an exclusive space lacing system that Franklin claims makes the ball easy to grip and throw. However, the ball is not as durable as others, and is considered too small for all but the smallest kids. The set is more cheaply made, and the flags do not attach or detach from the belts in the traditional manner. Some may view this set as more of a toy rather than a true sports equipment set. Depending upon how you, as parents, plan for your kids to use the set, the experience could be positive or negative. Franklin's claim that this set is ideal for teaching kids the fundamentals of the game of football is probably accurate, and perhaps the best aspect of this set. It's clear this set is targeted for small children, ages 3 up to around 8. Coming in at number 8, 14-player flag football set by Stumptown Sports. The Stumptown Sports Premium Package at first seems to be a well-thought-out set. It is the only one reviewed here that has 14 sets of belts and flags, including the preferable 3 flags per belt. It comes with 12 full-sized playing field marker cones and a mesh bag for strolling all of the equipment. But on closer inspection, the flags rip easily, the cones are nowhere near full size, and the overall package appears to be rather cheaply made, especially for a higher-priced product. For parents looking to buy for kids, thankfully a 30-day full refund is included, in case upon inspection it does not appear to fit your needs. Coming in at number 9, 12-player 3-flag football set by WYZworks. The WYZworks Velcro Premium has some positives that may sway parents researching sets for children or family to choose this set over others that are reviewed here. It has flags and belts for 12 players, and includes 3 flags per one size fits most belts, rather than the more common 2 flags. It also claims to have a strong, durable nylon web belt with a D-ring closure, with quick-release Velcro attachments, which usually make for durability and greater safety. However, for a higher priced than most package, which does not include a football or cones, and most importantly, with a poor history of flags that rip and tear easily, it's suggested that you take a close look before choosing this package. If you decide to choose this set, a smart purchase decision may be to consider buying extra flags. Coming in at number 10, Spectrum Flag Football Set of 12. When you order the Spectrum multicolor, the claim is that you can choose from purple, green, blue, red, and orange flags. so you can play ball sporting your favorite team's colors. What they don't tell you is that, for some odd reason, all of the flags you receive may be of the same color, so everyone playing had better have the same favorite team, and not care that both sides in your flag football game will be wearing the same colors. Most importantly, the belts and flags are known to fray sooner rather than later. This is described as a low-cost set, and as usually holds true, you get what you pay for with this package. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite flag football sets for kids. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive video updates. And now for the GotFlagFootball.com flag football sets for kids to avoid. 14-player flag football deluxe set by Platoon. Platoon claims that these belts, cones, and flags are made with heavy-duty, durable materials designed to withstand years of rough, rowdy games. Parents, we advise buyer beware. The actual customer experience with the Platoon flag football set does not match those claims. The belts and flags appear to rip easily and require early and frequent replacement. Platoon claims to stand behind its flag football sets with a full money-back guarantee. If you purchase these, you may need to utilize that warranty more often than they planned, if Platoon doesn't improve their product sooner rather than later. Champion Sports Triple Flag Football Set of 12. It's strongly recommended that parents avoid this product. Champion Sports has many angry customers who indicate that the promised set of 12 is clearly only a set of one belt and two flags, enough for one player, not even enough for a one-on-one game of flag football. Champion Sports has not seemed to respond to the customer complaints, earning its place on the lowest rung of the flag football kit ladder. And now for the GotFlagFootball.com final thoughts on finding the best flag football sets for kids. The goal of this article is to inform parents about the best flag football kits that are available on the market today. You've dug deep into the reviews of 12 different flag football equipment sets and brands. In addition, there are links to each of their listings on Amazon, making it easy to view the full descriptions of each product and what the price point is on any given day. Finally, the overview of the key factors to consider when making a purchase decision was to inform your purchase decision. It can be a fun time evaluating the packages that are available, and even more fun over the many hours you and your families and friends will have playing flag football. Let us know in the comments section below if you discovered a particular kit or set that your child loves, or if you have a question for us to answer. Looking to learn more about the best flag football sets for kids in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite flag football set for kids. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive video updates.